Hello everyone, let's get this tutorial started. You're gonna need to start with your eyebrows blocked, your hair, and your ears, okay? And next, we're gonna start mapping the shape of the eyes and the mouth. You can make it as big or as small as you want, it's up to you. Next guys, you're gonna have to put a layer of Mehron's liquid latex. Then we're gonna grab our cotton balls and we're gonna start creating the texture that the skin of the scarecrow is gonna have. Once you finish placing the first layer of the cotton balls, you're gonna add a layer on top of Mehron's liquid latex to create the skin texture of the scarecrow. Then you're gonna continue doing the same thing all over your face and neck, remember, because we cannot leave the neck behind. You're gonna continue layering first latex, then sticking the cotton balls, then latex again, creating the texture. And you're gonna have to continue doing that whole process all over your face and neck, remember. You can add as many layers of liquid latex and cotton balls as you want. As you can see, I only went for one layer, but that's the texture I was going for. But you can keep adding as many as you want. You guys are gonna grab the Mehron Colorset Powder and a powder brush, and you're gonna powder everything to remove the shine and the stickiness from the latex so we can start painting. Okay guys, so you're gonna grab your Mehron Paradise paint in color black and you're gonna start filling in the mouth. Then you're gonna go to the eyes. And make sure that you fill everything very well. Make those blacks very saturated and everything's gonna start making a little bit of sense now. Okay guys, so we're gonna go back to the latex once again and we're gonna start creating those teeth around the mouth. And for the teeth, I use acrylic nails and I cut them in a spiky way to create more scary teeth for the scarecrow. You're gonna put on a layer of latex on the acrylic nail, then you're gonna glue it on your face, then you're gonna add a layer of cotton to secure the teeth and help them not to move, okay? Don't forget that, because that way your mouth is gonna be secure and you're gonna be able to talk and breathe and drink and everything. So don't forget the last layer of latex. Okay, so next you're gonna grab your Mehron 8 color cream palette and you're gonna do a mixture of the two browns I just pointed out, and you're gonna start painting your whole face and neck. And please guys, don't worry if you can't paint everything. If you leave little white spaces, it doesn't matter, because we're gonna grab our black paint and we're gonna start detailing everything. You're gonna start painting with your brush, then you're gonna smudge it out with your fingers. That way you're gonna create a creepy grungy texture on the scarecrow skin, and it's gonna look so good. And you're gonna do that on your face and your neck. Okay, and you can detail this as much as you want, guys. Like, detail is everything on the face. Don't forget, you can add or take away as much as you want. Next, we're gonna grab the Mehron liquid latex again, and we're gonna do a layer, and I destroy an old wig just to give the Scarecrow a little bit of hair. And then I decided to add pins to the mouth and a little bit of pins around the eye to give like a more creepy smile to the Scarecrow. Okay, and now as the final step, you're gonna grab your Mehron coagulated blood and you're gonna start adding it to the teeth to give it that more creepy smile and around the pins, and it's gonna look so good. And we are done with our Scarecrow, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please hit that like button, make sure to leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe to Mehron's YouTube channel and hit that notification button. I really hope you enjoy this. See you next time. Bye.